Alexa, Sunshine 83. It's always sunny here. Boop. Hey Sunshiners, Alexa Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello, super sunny day. What's up? New hair, new room. I am getting over the flu. Welcome to 2018. We made it, guys. I figured for my first video of 2018, it would be a very like purge, declutter, just like start new type of video. If you've been following me for the past year, you would know I did kind of like a minimalism journey where I just got rid of a bunch of stuff and it was really great. I was doing really awesome, but then I learned about thrifting, buying stuff that I didn't really need, that I never wore. And so with getting my hair done, I kind of did a lot of like rediscovering and I finally found like my favorite colors, the colors that I always stick to without even trying. And so basically what I wanted to do is declutter all the color. I'm also gonna be like decluttering like even like black clothes and that type of thing, but I'm mainly looking at the colored clothing because I'm trying to revamp my style to be very monochrome. Kind of the colors I'm looking at are, you know, the obvious ones, black, white, gray, but also a little hints of green and some hints of marigold, you know, that really nice like rustic yellow color. How I wanted to start is I basically just took all the stuff that I knew I really don't wear and were the obvious choices, but also all the color choices that maybe I do kind of wear, but really trying to stick to that monochrome. And I am going to be taking these clothes to my local thrift store, get some moolah. Whatever is left over I may sell on like Poshmark or just take to Goodwill. But I just put it all out, and after kind of going through it, I was like, yeah, like I don't need any of this stuff. I'm now gonna go into my drawers because I have a lot in there that I really don't like wear. I literally have an entire drawer just filled with like fun pants that I, again, really never wear. And then I have just like a bunch of bathing suits that I had gotten sent from Zaful like a couple of months ago when I went to Hawaii, and some of them worked, some of them didn't, so I don't know. I don't really have like a sentimental value to my clothes or honestly my things. The only thing I probably really care about is like my camera and my computer. Other than that, like you can literally take anything in here and I'd be totally fine with it. Got one trash bag. Trash bags, oh my god, they're so heavy. Once I kind of had everything, put it in my car, went down to Plato's Closet, and I just took my clothes there. They did buy quite a few items. Altogether, I got $53. I did find 2 items there, so that came to about $20, so I really only made like $33, but still, that's a steal for me for clothes that was just in my closet not doing anything. This part of the year is so nice because you can really take a look at all the stuff that you've, without really realizing that you've accumulated, and be like, hey, do I really need all this stuff? I'm definitely gonna be still making some thrift videos, but I feel like they're gonna be more tailored towards a monochromatic style. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to become a Sunshiner. I upload every Mondays and Fridays, probably at like 12 p.m. Have your notifications on so you actually know when I upload. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter at AlexSunshine83. I'm excited for 2018. I feel like me with this hair. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye.